Hello everybody, welcome to Good Meals, Good Feels, and today we're busting out the wok and making a teriyaki noodle bowl. I hope you're ready to learn cooking with me, and remember we're always aiming for 3 things with our meals: make it easy, make it cheap, and make it tasty. And thanks to budgetbites.com for this recipe. First, add half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1/4 of sesame oil. The recipe called for toasted sesame oil, but I just had the regular stuff at home. It came out just fine in the end. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes, and because I don't know what my shake to pinch conversion is, just do your best. And 1 more shake. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now we're going to peel about 2 inches of ginger. I actually own a peeler, but I thought you might not. So here I'm showing you don't really need one. It's just nice to have. You do need a cheese grater though. These square ones are both cheap and really handy to have around. And a warning for people like me who have never worked with ginger before, it's kind of stringy. It can gum up in your cheese grater, so be aware that it's not necessarily a bad thing. Now we peel 2 cloves of garlic and mince those up as finely as you can. Add all that to your sauce and make sure to give that a good stir with a fork when you're done. Now bring a pot of water to a boil and add your noodles. I've never worked with soba noodles before, so I'm hoping they work like spaghetti noodles. What is that? That's not supposed to be on. What is that? Paper? I think that's paper. Okay, so you gotta take the paper off. I didn't know that the paper came with the noodles. So make sure to take the paper off your noodles first, then boil them for about 5 minutes and drain them in a colander. Now add a large tablespoon of vegetable oil to your wok. Don't worry if you don't have a wok, a large skillet will work just fine too. Heat the oil up over a high heat, and then add your frozen vegetables, and it's going to be loud and crazy and scary, and don't worry about that either. Only cook your veggies for about 2 minutes, just long enough to heat them up. Then stir your teriyaki sauce again and add that too. And this is my favorite part because it smells amazing. Simmer the whole thing until your sauce is thickened up, and when it's nice and thick, turn the heat off. Remember those noodles still hanging around in that colander in your sink? Throw those into the mix now, and make sure to evenly coat everything in the sauce, and it's ready to eat. Wow, look at that, a bowl of noodles. Thanks for watching, folks. Please share this video with your friends, or better yet, share some noodles. I hope you have a great rest of your day.